All right, here it is. First, the West Coast. Do we like it enough here or what, right? Highs in the 60s, gorgeous weather. Here's the mess now in Iowa and the Great Lakes and also moving into New York State and Maine as promised. And it's turning to snow because as it gets further north, the northern end of the storm turns blue, and that means it's snow instead of rain. But the temperatures are cold all the way through Oklahoma, still in the 30s here, and 39 in New York. So they're starting off with rain. It's going to turn to snow. What a mess. Call ahead if you're flying. For us, don't call anyone. Call them and tell them how nice it is, right? It's just great. All these fronts that come through are falling apart, then they ride the jet, and that's why those storms are happening in the exact same location as they did last week. And next week it could happen all again. Currently, we're live, and it's nice in Tehachapi, not bad at all. It's at 46, a nice wind northwesterly at 12, so it was a pleasant day in the mountains. And we've got 59 at Lake Isabella. Other numbers are doing very well, all in the 60s. Very nice day. Warmer weather's on the way. The average is 66. We hit 64. And right now, we are 1 degree cooler than yesterday at this time. The low this morning was a lot warmer. We got to 38. The morning before was only 33. Look at Los Angeles, downtown, 73. 63 in San Francisco. That's pretty warm for them. And it was also 73 in Santa Maria. So mid-50s for Tehachapi again. Mid-70s for Burbank, and it was 70s all along places like Santa Maria to Paso Robles. And these locations, by the time you get to Friday, could hit 80. The same thing on Saturday. The problem is the rain and lack of it. February, that's our total, 0.6. We should be around 1.15. The big picture, we're about 50% of normal for the season, and we're running out of time. February is going to finish off dry, and for now, the first half of March looks dry too, even though low after low keeps skipping us to the north. And this pattern might change next week, but it's a 20% shot of it, so we're not getting too excited about that. So in the meantime, future radar keeps everything north, and it all drifts off to the east, and we stay dry. Maybe the northern tip of the state by tomorrow late gets a shower. That's it. Wind pattern, easterly, that makes all the difference. You get the northeast winds and east winds, and that warms things up, and it just creates nice weather. So just enjoy it. Convertibles are on the way. I saw a few today. There's more coming out. 67 in Sacramento for a high tomorrow. Fresno close to 70. 60 again in San Francisco, a gorgeous day. And down south, you'll find a little bit of warming here midweek as we get to Wednesday with a 67 for Santa Barbara and 67 for Pismo Beach. That's not bad. And downtown LA to Anaheim looks good. Mid-70s on the way. San Diego around 68. Pretty much the same as yesterday's forecast. Not much change yet. But as we advance toward Friday, warmer weather, it's a guarantee. For us, upper 60s tomorrow, we think. Overnight lows, not bad. Upper 30s to around 40 degrees. So just enjoy that while that lasts. And those overnight lows will start to warm as well. Good practice camping in the backyard with the kids, okay? 62 for Glenville, 67 up at the lake, and we'll be in the upper 50s for Tehachapi. In the desert regions, temperatures also look very pleasant. Temperatures rebounding into the mid and upper 70s in many spots. And 80 degrees is guaranteed in those regions by Friday. Air quality is good. Please burn cleanly. That is a must. Low 40 tonight, clear skies. And that full moon still out there, right? Just getting a little smaller piece by piece. Looking at 67 tomorrow, a little warmer. Northwest wind to northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. 7 days out, we rebound. I got a little chicken on Saturday. I dropped it to 79. Oh, that's but close enough. You're gonna go 80? It felt warmer today to me for some reason in the sun. There wasn't as much wind. Mid-70s for the Kern River Valley and for the mountains. Temperatures look great into the mid-60s. Get out there and enjoy it.
Looks comfortable.
Doesn't it?
Thanks, Colin.
You bet.